Hello guys, Nigel with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench, welcome back. And here we are now with pack 58 of the Lancaster Bomber B.III Dambuster from Hachette. If you're interested in getting one of these, have a look at the comments, the description below the video, and you will be able to see on there how you can go and find out more about it. And there's a link there and you can see the finished model, the prototype model built up. So here we are now, pack 58 already. I think it's about 130 parts in total. So here we go, there's the parts. We're going to be starting on the undercarriage again. So we've got the work starts on the assembly of the shock absorbers for the port landing gear. So you can see we've got these little actuators here that pull the gear doors in. And we've got the little tie downs here and we've got some pins to be pressed in. So that's what we're going to be doing in a minute. Okay, so as usual, we'll have a look at the magazine first. So buildings on a bomber base, so this is interesting. Although barely mentioned in personal memoirs or official histories, base buildings were crucial to the smooth running of a bomber squadron. So there we go. An RAF Bristol Blenheim bomber is refueled prior to a mission. In the background is a 1930s style aircraft hangar where aircraft were serviced and repaired. You can see there's the great big one there. And there's the lovely Bristol Blenheim with the long nose. That's the one I wish Airfix would do in 48 scale. You can see a fuel bowser there being towed by a tractor. You see there's a control power. There's one existing, isn't there, up north somewhere, which is nice. Oh, consolidated B.24. This is one of my favourite aircraft. That's a B.24D there, I think. So there we go. They were absolutely amazing. 15th Air Force drops its bombs on the rail yards at Muldorf, Germany on the 19th of March 1945. The 451st comprised 4 bomber squadrons, 724th through 727th. So there we go. B-24s over Europe in 1944. This B-24 was used for training duties flying from Maxwell Field, Alabama during World War II. There we go. And there we are, coming in issue 59. We're carrying on with the undercarriage. So let's see what we've got in here. So as usual, we will open up the box. I know we've done this before, guys, and I know I skipped through the last 3 because we'd seen the engine before, but we've done, that's the 3rd engine, and I didn't want to just cover the same thing over and over again. So what I did was went and we did the work and showed you the completed engine. Let's get now that we've finished with the magazine, we'll get all our parts out and just do our quick check of all our parts. So here's the undercarriage leg. Excuse me. And then here we've got these 2 actuators, and these are the ones that are gonna go in and pull on the undercarriage doors. As the undercarriage goes up, it will pull the door shut. And on this model, the undercarriage is actually motorized, so it pulls the undercarriage up and lowers it while it's up on its stand. There is an issue with it, and Hachette are on it, and they are sending parts out. I think they said 61, didn't they? They're sending parts out to correct the issue we've got with the current undercarriage. So there we go. We can see we've got our parts as per the magazine. So what we're asking us to do now is take the shock absorber, frame 58A. Make sure it's the right way round. You can see the right way round. You've got these 2. I'm looking at a picture over here, which is off camera, up here. But basically, we've got these 2 lugs here sticking backwards, so we'll keep an eye on that. What we've got to do is take one of these, 58C. Okay, here's Dotty going and chewing the chair legs again. And that's going to basically pop over there, that way up, like that. So that's going to sit. Go on. You know you want to. Okay, we're going to go in from the side, I think. I can't remember how this goes now. It really doesn't want to go over there. There we go. It takes quite a bit of force, so if you are a youngster or you have impaired grip with your hands or whatever, then you might want to get someone to help you with that one. So we can put our pin in. We'll put the pin in first, okay, with the spline at the end, and then we can push this part in and just push the pin through, get it to line up. There we go. And then just push the pin in like so. There we go, all done. Alright, and then we're going to repeat the same on the other side. So we've done one. And we're basically going to repeat the same on the other side. And we're going to push that onto there, like so. Give it a good, probably best to put it down on the bench, and there we go, that gets it going. There we are. Okay. And then basically we're going to, let's grab that pin actually. We use our tweezers, we'll place the pin in the hole, and then put the part in there, push the pin through the hole, and then grab our little pliers that were supplied way back when we first did the first undercarriage. These little pliers, they're lovely. And there we go, that's that job done. So that is that part completed. As you can see here, there it is, completed as per what they've done. So that's it for this month, the month of February. So I will see you back sometime in March, and we'll have parts 59, 60, 61 and 62 to do. So I'll see you then. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.